So in this question number 4 of UC 2025, they're saying that 10 people are standing in a circle. So this is the circle. Each person is assigned a number, as we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10, as shown in the figure below. The first person, number 1, is removed. So this person is removed. Thereafter, in the clockwise direction, that means in this direction, every third person is removed. And this is repeated till only 2 people are left. What is the sum of the number assigned to the 2 people who are left at the end? So this is a pretty simple question unless you get confused, because you have to remove every third person. So only problem could be here that you are removing the wrong person. So let's do this. So first they have already said that 1 is removed. Then we have to remove the third person clockwise. That means 4 will go now. Now third person is from clockwise is 7. Next third person in the clockwise is 10. Again remember 1 is already gone. So that means you have to count from 2. So this is 1, 2, 3. So next 5 will go. Again clockwise third person is 9 because this 7 is already gone. So 9. Now again these 2 persons are already gone. So third person is 2, 3, 6. So 6 will be gone now. Now from here third person. So 1, 2, 3. So now 3 will be gone. So the last 2 persons who are remaining are 8 and 2, and their sum will be 10. So here the correct answer will be 10.